Hey, how you doing? We're back. Today, I want to show you how to apply the basic chords in a 4/4 bar. Okay, in the 4/4 bar, in a 4/4 measure. First, we're going to start with C, and we're going to move to F, G, and A minor. Okay, so this is the C chord, right? So we're going to play this C chord in whole notes in a 4/4 bar, right? And four bars of 4 whole notes, okay? So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we'll just do 2 bars because then I'll put the F in there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm gonna write it down so you see what it looks like, okay? And that's the C chord. 4/4 bar, that means there's 4 beats in the measure. And we're gonna do the C chord for 2 bars. C chord, C major, whole note, whole note. If you see somebody do that, that means you repeat what was played in the previous bar, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, that's a whole note. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's another whole note. And that's all C, all right? So I'll play it again so you know what it looks like, what it sounds like, all right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. So when we're counting multiple bars, what we usually do is we count 1, 2, 3, 4, and the next bar would be the second bar, and we'll count 2, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we're gonna move to F, and we're gonna play half notes, right, for 2 bars of Fs. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let me write that so you can see what it looks like. So you have the F major, these are F major chords, right? Like that, right? So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna repeat it. That's what that means, that's a repeat sign, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, right? So let me play that so you hear how it sounds. So we got our C, right? We're doing 2 measures. Remember, those are 2 measures with the bar lines. Inside of that is a measure, right? So we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3. Then we go into F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, okay? We're gonna do the G for 2 bars using quarter notes, okay? So once again, these are the bars, these are bar lines. Inside of there is a measure. That's where you put your music. So you have your G major, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, right? That's the repeat sign. So you're playing G again. Okay? So let me do the G. Then I'm gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's six measures, okay? Then I'm gonna add the A minor, okay? So here's the G. 2 measures of G using quarter notes, okay? Here we go. Hold on. Let me put our cheat signs down so you can see what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So here's the G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So let's put all 6 of those measures together. We're starting on C, right? Which is whole notes for 2 bars. Then we're going to go to F for 2 bars using half notes. Then we're going to go to G for 2 bars using quarter notes. Okay? Start on the C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. F. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So now we're going to use the A minor using eighth notes. Okay? So I'm going to put it down, then I'm going to play it. Okay? For 2 bars, right? A minor, right? That's a repeat sign, right? So we're using eighth notes. So remember, the eighth notes get a half a beat. Get a little bit more space here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that, right? So that's 1 bar. That's the second bar. Like that. Remember, this is a repeat, so you're repeating this A minor. And these are the eighth notes. Okay, let me make them a little bigger so you can see it. Okay, so let me play that A minor so you can see how that sounds with the eighth notes. Okay, so we're starting from here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so now we're going to play all, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 8 bars. Isn't that great? All right, so I'm going to put a repeat at the end of the 8th bar so you can go back and play it again. All right, so this is an exercise. This would be exercise 1 for your chords. Okay, just like this. So this means repeat back to the top. 1 time. Okay, so here we go with our 8 bars, starting on C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then A minor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. F. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4